When we were younger, you started all with a look you gave, spread over and over among us. When we were younger, when we were younger.
My Christopher James. This all started with a "Hey cutie" and a picture of the most handsome doggo. And we stand here now, ready to make our vows we will live by for the rest of our lives. So here goes mine. I can't promise that things will be perfect or there won't be dark clouds in our skies, but I swear to be your umbrella and help you dance in the rain. I'm imperfect, but my love and devotion to you will never falter. I promise to be your biggest fan, to root for you, support you, and encourage you to reach for your dreams.
Dear Marrisa, well, our day is finally here. I couldn't be more excited to be in this moment with you. I know we've had our ups and downs, but through it all, our love has stayed strong. And I hope that I can grow to be the husband you deserve, to be the man that you can count on, and that will always be there for you when the world is getting tough, that you know that I'm here. I promise that I'll never make you feel lonely, and that our marriage will be full of love and growth. And I'm so happy to be standing where I am now, and couldn't be more grateful that I will have a wife like you.
I will listen to you, hold you, and if you're really nice, I'll rub your back until it feels like my hand is going to fall off. I will do my best to make you happy and never question how immense my love is for you. I promise to apologize when I am wrong and tell you I told you so when I'm not. I promise to fill our lives with laughter and also embarrassing moments that turn into lifelong memories. Together, we're going to build a life together we can both be proud of and share with our future many pounds, both of the human and fur variety. Neither of us came from much, but after today, we will officially have all we could ever need. These are my vows to you, my love, and my almost husband. I can't wait to walk down the aisle and be yours forevermore. I love you 3,000, baby. Now let's do the damn thing. Your bride, Marrisa.
Today, I promise that I will love you when we are happy and when we are not. When you decide to ask me if my dinner is finished before I even get to chew it. When we watch our favorite shows on Netflix without me. Even as you steal all the covers as we sleep, our love will always stay strong. You have made me a better man, and I'm so ready to love you forever and always be yours.
Every memory evermore, here reminding what I've been missing. Oh, you are what I've been missing.
Christopher and Marrisa come to give themselves to one another in this holy covenant.
When I saw you for the first time,
It's my joy and my honor to announce to you that they are husband and wife. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, those whom God has joined together, let no one put asunder. And Christopher, you may kiss your bride.
I think we got it, the life we wanted. It feels like everything is going our way. I think we made it after all the waiting. It feels like everything is going our way.
So my best piece of advice for both you and Chris is don't go to bed angry and always talk about things. If he doesn't want to talk or you don't want to talk, give each other space come back to it, deal with it later. But communication is key. Whether you're mad or happy or sad, talk about it, don't simmer on it, and then everything will be okay.
We put every doubt behind us. All the hope we hold defines us. Together we can face tomorrow and every single day that follows. We're standing at the edge of all that lies ahead. I think we got it, the life we wanted. It feels like everything is going our way. I think we made it after all the waiting. It feels like everything is going our way. I think we got it, the life we wanted. It feels like everything is going our way. I think we made it after all the waiting. It feels like everything is going our way. The day is ours and we can take it. Open up your arms, embrace it. Oh.